Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, today we're going to be using the fantastic Divi Supreme plugin to extend our responsive viewpoints. Now I've got a page open here with the visual builder. If we click on our little purple button here, we get our little responsive options, so where we can view it on a desktop that's on at the moment, on a tablet, and on a cell phone. And these are predefined widths. Now if you decide you might want to check it on other devices that are slightly in between these, the Supreme Modules plugin gives us a little switch we can put on which will give us a whole lot more responsive points. So if we go to our Divi Supreme Pro, once you've got it installed, go to your dashboard, down to Divi Supreme Pro. We're on the general settings here, and what we need to do is enable Divi Builder Responsive Viewer. Just flip that little switch to on and save the changes. Once the changes have been saved, we can go back to our page, and let's just reload this page. Now if we go down to the bottom and take a look at this, we'll hit the purple button. Initially we won't see any change because we're on desktop mode and it's filling up my desktop screen. But if I go to mobile, you'll suddenly see that we've got a whole load more responsive breakpoints that we can check out our site, make sure it's going to work on all kinds of phones as well. And you can do the same with the tablet. You'll see that it's added a couple more different ones as well. 768 is the default, 1024. And if you decided you wanted to add your own, you can simply type it in here, say 650, hit the enter key, and as you can see, it'll drop down to 650. So you can check it on all kind of different sizes just to make sure it's going to be absolutely totally responsive and work on all devices. And like I say, that's a great hidden feature that you don't hear much about in the great Divi Supreme Modules Pro. So I hope you found that useful and enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.